All right, this video is just going to explain the whole final exam situation and hopefully answer a majority of the questions that you might have. So this is for Moline High School and the final exam policy. So just a quick note, this is a school-wide policy. It was an administrative decision, so it's not a teacher-by-teacher choice. All teachers are supposed to be following these guidelines, and there's really not a ton of wiggle room. So just know that this should apply to any class that you are currently taking. So who is required to take the final exam? Really, any student with a semester grade of a D plus or lower must take the final exam. If a student has a D plus or lower and does not take the final exam, they will be given a 0 for their exam grade, which is going to lower or harm your overall semester grade. This is especially important for those students that are really close to that D minus F threshold. Skipping the semester exam could potentially bring you down to a failing semester grade. This obviously would have some implications for you later on in terms of graduation and potentially having to retake some courses. For students required to take the final exam, the exam can hurt or help your overall semester grade. So you will see the difference of that in a minute. Who can take the final exam optionally? Any student with a semester grade of a C minus or higher can choose to take the final exam if they would like. If a student with a semester grade of a C minus or higher does not take the exam, their overall semester grade remains the same. It does not change. In the same breath, if a student with a semester grade of a C minus or higher takes the final exam and scores lower than their semester percentage, the student's overall semester grade does not change. This means that if a student takes the exam optionally because of their standing in the class, the final exam can only help their semester grade. It cannot hurt it. So at worst, your semester grade would stay the same, but at best, you could raise it up. When is your final exam? This is something you need to check with each individual teacher in order to see when your exam is, and also what material it will cover. Obviously, if you're taking it, whether you are choosing to or you have to, you want to do as well as you can to positively boost your grade. Also, check your semester grade for the class to see if you must take the exam or instead if you have the option to take it to raise your grade. So those are two things that are very important. Checking with your teacher and also checking your grade because those are going to be two factors that change from class to class. You may have to take some finals and not others. It just depends on your standing in each individual class. If you have questions, you need to reach out to each individual teacher. Your English teacher cannot answer questions about your math final or your math grade. They all just know the basic information that I've shared with you. So you need to reach out to each individual teacher, check each individual grade, and then make your decisions accordingly. Your teachers are here to help you, all right? Everyone wants you to be successful, so just please let them know what they can do for you.